How to see who logged into your Facebook account. Hey everyone, this is Lucy. Let's get started. To start, open your Facebook app. Now, at the top right corner, you will see your profile. Click on it and go to Settings and Privacy. Here, click on the settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and click on Password and Security. Here you will see Password and Security, and inside Password and Security you need to go to where you're logged in. Select your Facebook profile and it will show you on whichever devices you're logged in. So if you want to see your history, then you can just click on. Right now I don't have much login history here, but you can scroll down and find all of your login history. So in order to sign out of other devices, you need to click on select device to log out and click on all the devices you want to log your Facebook from and click on logout. This will log out of your account and that specific device. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.